Saudi medical licensing examination. Who needs to be appear in this exam, eligibility, documents required, Dataflow website, Momares website, Smle Prometric exam pattern and the material needs to be followed for this exam. SCFHS registration certificate eligible to apply for the job in the Kingdom Saudi Arabia. So hello, assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Faraz Ahmed. In this video we are going to discuss about the Saudi medical licensing examination in details. First of all, we will discuss about the who needs to be appear in this exam. We will discuss about the eligibility, documents required, Dataflow website, Momares website, and we will talk about the Smle Prometric exam pattern and the material needs to be followed for this exam. And at the end we will talk about the SCFHS registration certificate. Once you have this registration, then you will be eligible to apply for the job in the Kingdom Saudi Arabia. So let's start the video in detail. So let's discuss who needs to be appear in this exam. Every doctor who wants to work as a GP in the Kingdom Saudi Arabia, who wants to work as a medical officer, or who wants a residency in the Saudi Arabia needs to appear in this exam. This is Smle exam. So let's talk about the eligibility of the Smle exam. Like if you want to appear in PLAB exam, you have to give OET and you have to complete your house job and you can directly appear in the PLAB exam. And if you want to appear in the USMLE and the Australian Medical Council exam, there is no difficult criteria. But for the Smle exam, Saudi Medical Licensing Examination, there is a eligibility criteria. You have to apply for the eligibility. So before the exam, you have to apply for the eligibility. Once you will be eligible, then you will have to appear in the examination. So there are some requirements for the eligibility criteria. Like there are the 4 documents which are required for you. Number 1 of these documents is your MBBS degree. Number 2 is your internship certificate, and number 3 is your permanent registration with the Pakistan Medical Commission, or if you are from India, from your medical commission. And number 4 is the 1 year of post house job experience. So these 4 documents are very necessary to apply for the eligibility of the Smle examination. Once you have these 4 documents, as a step of the eligibility process, you will have to visit the Dataflow website. I will give the link in the description. Then you will visit this website. You will have to upload your passport details and you have to upload your MBBS degree, your house job certificate and your permanent medical license of your own country. There is no need to apply year of the post house job experience. You will upload 3 documents on the Dataflow website and you will have to pay a fee of 600 to 650 Saudi Riyal as well. So fee depends upon the either you are going to take the regular service, you are going to take the priority services. And once you will apply for this, in 10 to 15 days you will receive a response. This response will be the verification report, and this report will be in the form of the PDF on your email address. So after receiving this verification report, what you have to do, you have to visit the Mummaris website. I will give the link in the description. Once you will visit the Mummaris website, what you have to do, you will sign up there. That means you have to create your account on the Mummaris website, and after creating the account, once you will log in there, then you have to upload the certain requirements or the certain documents needed by the Mummaris website. In addition to those documents, you have to upload the verification report in the PDF form. You will upload there, and you have to upload the 4 documents which I mentioned in the start, like 1 year post house job experience. You have to upload that experience on the Momares website as well. So once you will upload these documents along with the other requirements on the Momares website, then you have to pay the 200 Saudi Riyal to get the decision on your eligibility process. So in 3 days you will receive a decision via your email that either you are eligible for the Smle exam or not. So you will receive an email that decision has been taken on your eligibility application. So they will tell you either you are eligible or not. If you are eligible, you will have to get the eligibility number and Prometric details. So to get these details, you have to pay 900 Saudi Riyal. So once you will pay these 900 Saudi Riyal, you will get the eligibility number and the Prometric details. So once you will receive these eligibility numbers and the Prometric details, and you will open the Prometric exam details, then you will see a lot of centers for Smle exam and you will see the dates as well. So if you want to book some specific center and you want to get some specific date, you will have to select that center and you will have to select that date. And for each exam, you will have to pay the 200 Saudi Riyal fee as well. So like you have selected one date and the one center and you have paid the 200 Saudi Riyal, and now you are eligible to appear in the Smle exam. So now you have booked the exam and you have selected a date as well. So let's talk about the Smle Prometric exam. Basically this is a long exam, and each exam consists of the 6 hours, and they take the exam in 3 sessions. So in the first session they will take 100 MCQs from the medicine, in the second session they will take 100 MCQs from the surgery, and in the third session they will take 100 MCQs from the gynecology. So in this way they will take this exam of the 6 hours in 3 sessions on the same day, and you have to get at least 70% of marks to get successful in this exam. So let's talk about the material required to prepare for this exam. So please keep in mind that the most authentic book for this exam is the USMLE book, that is First Aid 1 and First Aid 2. So if you think that these books are lengthy for you, you can try other material as well. Like you can try pleb material, like you can try plebable, you can try past medicine, you can try past test, you can try pleb keys, you can try pleb gem. So whatever you want, you can try this material. So please keep in mind this is very important exam, and you have to prepare well for this exam as well. Apart from that, you can read, if you want to read a book, you can read the Oxford Handbook of the Clinical Specialties. This is very important book. And if you want to read a book primarily focused on the Smle exam, you can try the book SLE Made Easy by Dr. Yasir Ahmad. So this book is basically focused on the Smle exam. So you can try these materials, and I am pretty sure that these material will help you in clearing your exam. So apart from that, if you have applied for the eligibility and you were eligible at that time, so in the one eligibility you can appear at least 3 times in this exam. Unfortunately, if you were unable to pass in 3 attempts in one eligibility, so your eligibility will be ended at this time, and you will have to apply for the eligibility once again. To appear in this exam 4th time, you will have to apply for the new eligibility. So once you will get a new eligibility, you will be able to appear in the Smle exam 4th time. So if you have cleared the Smle exam, so this is very important and this is success for you. So now after clearing this exam, you have to apply the SCFHS registration. This is basically Saudi Commission for the Healthcare Specialties. You will apply for this registration, and once you will receive a certificate from the SCFHS, now you will be registered with the Saudi Medical Commission. Now you will be able to, and you will be eligible to apply for the jobs and to apply for the residency in Kingdom Saudi Arabia. So this was the all process I discussed about the Saudi medical licensing examination, its requirement and everything. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment box. And apart from that, regarding the pay scales and regarding the jobs after clearing the Smle, we will make a separate video. Thank you very much.